Hello everybody and welcome to the 7th practice video for simplifying algebraic expressions. So in the first question I'm going to multiply out the first two brackets first. However, as I mentioned before, you can do these in any order and you should get the same answer. So multiplying 2x by x gives us 2x squared, and 2x times minus 1 gives us minus 2x. Then minus 1 times by x is minus x, and minus 1 times minus 1 is a plus 1. There are two terms that contain x in the yellow bracket, so we combine them to give us minus 3x. And then we multiply the yellow bracket with x minus 2. So 2x squared times by x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times by minus 2 is minus 4x squared. Minus 3x times by x is minus 3x squared. Minus 3x times by minus 2 is plus 6x. Plus 1 times by x is plus x, and plus 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. Then we can combine the similar terms together. There's only one term that has x cubed in it, but there are two terms that have x squared in it. So we add minus 4x squared and minus 3x squared, which gives us minus 7x squared. We also have two terms that contain x, so we add 6x and we get 7x, and then there's only one constant. In the next question, multiplying out the first two brackets, we have x times by 2x, which is 2x squared. X times by minus 3 is minus 3x. Minus 1 times by 2x is minus 2x. And minus 1 times by minus 3 is plus 3. We then tidy this up by adding the two terms that contain x within inside the yellow bracket. So we get minus 3x plus minus 2x, giving us minus 5x. Then multiplying out these two brackets, we get 2x squared times by x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times by plus 2 is plus 4x squared. Minus 5x times by x is minus 5x squared. Minus 5x times by 2 is minus 10x. Plus 3 times by x is plus 3x. And plus 3 times by 2 is plus 6. Then combining similar terms, there's only one term with x cubed. There are two terms with x squared, giving us minus x squared. There are two terms containing x, which gives us a minus 7x, and there's only one constant, which is plus 6. I think you're getting pretty good at this now, so I'm going to go a little faster for the next two questions. So question 3, the first two brackets give us x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 6. Then we can tidy up the yellow bracket to get x squared minus x minus 6. Then times in the yellow bracket out with the last bracket, x plus 4, we get x cubed plus 4x squared minus x squared minus 4x minus 6x minus 24. And finally, combining the similar terms, we have x cubed plus 4x and minus x squared gives us plus 3x squared, and minus 4x and minus 6x gives us minus 10x, and minus 24 stays the same. And likewise for question 4, even though the terms are written in a different order inside the brackets, the theory is the same. So multiplying out the first two brackets, we have 1 times 3, which is 3, 1 times minus x, which is minus x, 2x times 3, which is plus 6x, and 2x times by minus x, which is minus 2x squared. We can tidy up the yellow bracket by adding the minus x and the plus 6x, which gives us plus 5x. And then we can multiply this out with the final bracket 1 minus x. So we get 3 times 1, which is 3, 3 times minus x, which is minus 3x, plus 5x times by 1 is plus 5x, 5x times by minus x is minus 5x squared, minus 2x squared times by 1 is minus 2x squared, and minus 2x squared times by minus x is a positive 2x cubed. Now we can combine similar terms together, but I am going to write the answer starting with the highest power of x and then going in decreasing powers of x. So we only have one term with x cubed, which is 2x cubed. We have two terms that contain x squared, so we have minus 7x squared. We have two terms that contain x, so we have plus 2x, and there's only one term that is a constant, so we have plus 3. Well, that's it for this video, and I hope you're becoming a bit of a whiz at this now. I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like and subscribe button because that also helps me out, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.